Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into Cash App without the Cash App application. Cash App is known to be a mobile application, so you will need to log into Cash App to access all the features with the application version. But if you want to get access to Cash App with the web browser as well, then there are some limited functionalities accessible through the web browser. So in order to log in with web browser, first of all, open your web browser that you are trying to get access with. And once you open up a web browser of your choice, type in cash.app and search. This will then take you to the official website for Cash App. Go to the upper right corner and click on the login button. In the login area, you will need to go ahead and enter either your mobile phone number or the email address associated with your Cash App account you are trying to log into. Enter your email address or your phone number and click on continue. On the next page, you will need to verify your phone number or your email with an SMS code or confirmation code. Type in the code that you received either way and click on continue. Enter your cash pin to log into your account and you will then be able to sign into Cash App without the Cash App application. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.